up, boss?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
Just jackhammering?
What is it we're trying to get down to in this area?
We're trying to find this, the main line.
Okay.
We found an old cleanout that they covered up. So we plugged it.
Wow.
So after we get it all exposed, all the concrete out, we gotta dig deep. About 2.5 feet. She said, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. That's a classic. That's the old cast iron bell right there, you know. So we cut it out. We got some good pipe to hook up on, and cut the cast iron on this side. And with a slight little nut tap right here, like this little nut tap. All it takes is a little love right here. Right here. Okay, look, ready? Nice, good job, dude. Thank you, dude. Oh yeah. Right when we're filming too, you found it.
Perfect timing.
Good job.
Is it a trenchless repair, or how are you getting?
This is gonna be spot repair because there's a belly. There's a belly at that fitting. I think it's the weight of this big guy right here. Just putting all the weight down, making it sag, and what are you gonna do down there, Amir? Whatever you tell me to do. Whatever you tell me to do. You're so handsome. That's it.
What kind of tree can you hold in your hand?
What kind of tree? I don't know.
A palm tree.
A palm. Palm tree.
It's a good dad joke.